Top 20. 72-hour power reserve. Display tap analog. Water resistant, depth is 100 meters. Movement mechanical. Top 19. Seiko 24 Jewels automatic. Stainless steel case and band. Fold over deployment class. Hardlicks mineral crystal. Case size 44.5 millimeters. Water resistant, depth is 200 meters. Creo in crown. Top 18. Power reserve display watch. Calendar link time difference adjustment function. See-through case back. Lumi Bright on hands and indexes. Power reserve approximate 72 hours. Top 17. Excellent timepiece. What a nice watch it is. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-bound piece. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Top 16. Solar power source watch. 12-month power reserve. Japanese quartz movement. Case diameter 43 millimeters. Top 15. Automatic movement with 50-hour power reserve. Sapphire crystal watch. Japanese automatic movement. Case diameter 38.4 millimeters. Top 14. Brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear. Comfortable to wear. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. I am absolutely in love with this watch. Lightweight piece that is not too tall or heavy. More beautiful in person. Gorgeous dial watch. Top 13. Lumi Bright hands and markers. Power reserve approximate 41 hours. Water resistant to 200 meters. Meets ISO standard. Fold over push button clasp. Top 12. Power reserve approximate 45 hours. Second hand halt mechanism. Anti-reflective coated or sapphire crystal glass. Handmade Arita porcelain dial. Case diameter 40.6 millimeters. Band width 20 millimeters. Band color black. Top 11. Silver stainless steel strap. Stainless steel case, blue dial. Automatic movement, case diameter 44 millimeters. Water resistant to 200 meters. Top 10. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Class deployment class. Case material stainless steel. Band color black. Top 9. Stainless steel case. Case diameter 42.5 millimeters. Hurdle dial window. Water resistant to 100 meters. Top 8. I would definitely recommend this watch. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. More beautiful in person. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Top 7. Power reserve approximate 72 hours. 24-hour hand. The watch itself is fantastic. Gorgeous dial watch. Brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear. The quality is really outstanding at this price point. Top 6. Japan 21 Jewel self-winding automatic movement. Stainless steel case with black resin strap. Hardlex Manor crystal watch. Unidirectional turning bezel. Luminous hand and markers. Case size 42 millimeters. Top 5. Water resistant depth is 200 meters. Movement Japanese automatic. Dial color green. Calendar date. Top 4. Powered by light energy. This model has a 6-month power reserve. Case diameter 44 millimeters. Dial window material tab anti-reflective sapphire. Close push button, foldable close with safety. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 43 millimeters. Case thickness 12.1 millimeters. Top 3. GPS solar wall time, GPS control time, time zone adjustment 40 time zones, signal reception result indication, sapphire glass with Seiko anti-reflective coating. Top 2. Automatic with manual winding watch. Exterior crystal Hordlicks watch. Band material of skin. Water resistant depth is 10 bar. Top 1. Case material stainless steel. Lumi bright on hand. Weight of this watch is 95 grams. Stop second hand function. Screw case back, see-through case back. Case thickness 13.4 millimeters.